So, good day everyone. I'm Engine Cadet Deljan C. Figueroa. Together with my group mates, we will be presenting our group project titled Faces of Inequality, a collage on Philippine social strata. So our collage visually represents the three main levels of social stratification in the Philippines: the upper class, middle class, and lower class. It is arranged in a triangular hierarchy. So this symbolizes how society is structured, with fewer people at the top who hold the most wealth and power, and a larger population at the base who experience poverty and struggle with basic needs. So first is the upper class. So at the top of our collage, we have the upper class, which is composed of elites, political dynasties, and top business families. They are the most privileged group in society, possessing great wealth, influence, and access to exclusive opportunities. These individuals represent the smallest yet most powerful sector that controls much of the nation's economy and politics. Next is the middle class. So it is located in the middle portion. So we place the middle class, which includes professionals, OFWs, or including the seafarers and small business owners. So they serve as the bridge between the rich and the poor, earning enough for basic needs and some comforts. So in the Philippines, they are generally those earning with 20,000 pesos to 120,000 pesos per month. They are often seen as hardworking citizens striving for upward mobility and stability. Last is the lower class. So it is located at the base of the triangle. So it is composed of farmers, laborers, and marginalized groups. So this group earns below 20,000 pesos per month, and they often struggle to meet essential needs such as food, shelter, and education. But despite their challenges, they form the largest portion of the population and are the backbone of the country's workforce. So through this activity, we realize that social inequality in the Philippines is deeply rooted in economic disparity and access to opportunities. It reminds us that while each class plays a crucial role in society, achieving the true requires equality requires collective effort through education, fair labor practices, and inclusive governance. So in summary, our collage serves as a reflection of reality, that the faces of inequality are not just numbers or labels, but real people who live in different social conditions. As a student, understanding this structure help us become more aware, empathetic, and motivated to promote social change. That's all. Thank you.